Hello, good morning. Today we will learn how we can create a sale invoice. So to create sale invoice, go to the transaction sale invoice, or you can use the keyboard shortcut that is given in here, that is Alt plus S. So for sale invoice, if we press Alt plus S, it will redirect to us to the sale invoice page. Okay, here by default current bill series, current bill number, current date, and bill type you can choose as per your need. Okay, booked by whoever the salesperson will and make the bill will enter their name from here. Now here I will enter the customer name. Suppose I am writing one customer name, and here I will write down the contact number. Now from here, either you can scan the barcode, the product detail will appear automatically, or if you want you can directly enter the product name. Suppose here I am as I am typing, all the suggestions related to that product will appear in the drop down menu. You can select one of the product. Okay, then since we are here by default it is given, a unit is given in pieces. Quantity by default will be 1. You can increase it, depend on you. Then price is given automatically if you have already set it, but if you have not decided any price, you can enter it manually also. Now for discount part, either if you are giving a discount on a particular product, then either you can give the discount in percentage as well as in amount. Okay, now from here, since we are selling a lens product, we will enter the power detail from here. Okay, so as I am typing the power, it is automatically coming as a suggestion in drop down menu. I will select one of the power or enter directly. Now if I am entering the addition, or if I am calculating the addition, it will automatically software will calculate the near vision, or if I am entering the near vision, it will automatically calculate the addition. Now here I will enter the axis. Axis will be from 0 to 180. Okay, now as we all know, 0.30, we don't have any power like this. So if we are if any of your salesperson is entering the wrong power, software will not accept that power. Okay, so there will be no issue regarding the wrong power. Okay, now here if you want to enter the pupillary distance, you can enter the pupillary distance. Who referred your shop, you can enter their name from here. Okay, suppose I'm entering one doctor name here. Then next visit, when you want your customer to visit your shop next, you can select the date from here. After 1 month, 3 month, or 1 year, automatically the day will appear in here. It will come as a reminder on that day on your dashboard. Okay, lens expiry. If you are selling a contact lens product, in that case, depend on the disposability of the product, you can select the date. Suppose if I'm selling a contactless product, I will select the after 7 days, 1 month, 6 month. You can select any date. Now, in how many days you will deliver the product, you can enter the date from here and enter. Then here, which day, time will be suitable, you can select the time from here also. Then, well, instead of giving discount in a particular product, if you are giving a discount in an overall bill, then from here you can provide the discount in the overall bill. Suppose I am selecting a D, so automatically the discount will appear here. I will write down the discount, how much I am giving. Suppose I am giving the discount for 500 and clicking on enter. Automatically the discount, the amount will be deducted from here, from the gross value. Okay, now if you want to give any remark, xyz remark, you can provide it from here, and then just simply click on yes, save. As soon as you click on save, the bill payment detail page will open. Here cash, a different payment mode is given. Okay, suppose for I am taking cash like 1000 rupees. Okay, and rest of the due amount will be 2000. And as I'm clicking on OK, few options will appear in front of me. Just a second. Here, format 1, format 2 will be your bill type. Depend on you. You can set the bill either for depend on the depend on the condition. You can set the bill as per your need. Then here, if I click on share, it will redirect me to the WhatsApp. Okay, this is the bill. Okay, you can customize it totally as per your need. And as for as WhatsApp, if I click on continue to chat, in this manner you can share the message to your customer. Okay, and this message is completely customizable. Whatever the message you want to share to your customer, you can set it by your own self, as well as in any language. If you want to share, you can share it in your own language also. Then now we have already taken the amount. Now you want to see how much sales you have made for the day. So to check it, go to the transaction sale invoice. As soon as you click on sale invoice, automatically this window will appear. In here, you whatever the today's bill you have made will appear. It will show in here. Here you can check the bill series, bill number, party name, net amount, paid amount, due amount. Everything will be shown in here only. Here date filter is also given. You can even select the back date and check all the datas. Okay, and if you want to create a new bill, again you will click on alt plus S, or either add cell. Okay, now suppose we have the net amount is 3000, but the customer has only paid 1000. Now what happened after 2 or 3 days? If customer visit your shop again and paid rest of the amount, so to take the rest of the amount, where you will go to the pay remaining, receive from account. When you this receipt page will open. Here either you can write down the customer name, or if you simply click on search, whatever the current bill you will make na will show you on the top. Okay, here my due amount is 2000. If your customer is paying 2000 rupees, just simply write down the amount, click on enter. It will show the receipt number, and now click on pay. And as soon as you click on OK, again you can share this message to your customer in your own language. As per, if I click on OK, automatically my all the due amount is cleared. Now because my due amount is cleared, now my name will be shown in green color. Okay, means the green color indicates that you have no amount due. Okay, or if it is in white color, means you have some amount that is due, and it will show in here only. Okay, so this is how you will make a sale invoice, as well as you can take the pay remaining. Okay, thank you.